Hey guys, today I will try to show you how to remove the door handle, the exterior door handle in Golf MK7. We are on the passenger side and you will need to do this if you are planning to vinyl wrap your car, or maybe you have some water leaks underneath and you want to check the seals, or maybe you, like me, want to install some LEDs over here in the Golf Mk8 style. So what you need to do is open your car, then over here there's a small rubber cover that you need to just pull to remove, and you have two holes and you are interested in the bigger one. Let me just adjust the camera. Okay, so I'm using a hook like this and we need to put it inside, rotate it, and we need to pull like this. There's a small locking tab over here which you need to grab with the hook and pull out. It goes about 4 or 5 millimeters, and once this is unlocked you can go over here. You can remove this cover, and once this cover is removed you can grab the door handle, pull it slightly, and then slide it to the rear of the car. Once there's a click, I don't know if you heard that, but once there's a click you can just remove it like this. There's one seal over here and one seal over here. It stayed on the handle, and I'm going to try to drill a hole over here, but that's for another video. And when you want to install it back, be careful not to close the door. You just want to do it like this. Again, slightly to the rear. It hooks up. Now let's reinsert this cover over here and let's lock this plastic tab. So here's the cover, which goes over here, and here's the lock, which I'm going to press back in its place. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and see you soon.